In this video, I will show you how to play games with Xbox or PlayStation controller on any Mac OS. So without further ado, let's start. If you have Xbox or PlayStation controller or any other Bluetooth controller, you can improve the gaming experience by connecting the controller to the Mac. All you need is a Bluetooth controller of your choice and Mac with Bluetooth. To do that, enter the controller the pairing mode. On Xbox controller, press on this small button. But it's very similar in any Bluetooth controller. On your Mac, open System Preferences and choose Bluetooth. Click on the controller and then click Connect. Okay, let's start the game. Once the game is started, you will get explanation screen of the controller. It's definitely much fun to play in controller, and if you connect your MacBook to bigger screen, it's even much fun. If you want to learn how to play games with controllers on any Windows PC, click on the next video.